Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with HSBC easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the HSBC mobile app or website. Log in to your account using your credentials. From the main dashboard, locate the budgeting tools section. Select Create a Budget option. Choose your income sources to accurately assess your finances. Input the total amount of income you receive monthly. Next, identify your recurring expenses. Add categories like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Enter the estimated amount for each category. Review any discretionary spending categories, such as dining out or entertainment. Set realistic limits for these discretionary expenses. Once all amounts are entered, review your overall budget summary. Make any necessary adjustments to balance your budget. Save your budget once you're satisfied with the allocations. Consider setting up alerts for when you're nearing your limits. Utilize the tracking feature to monitor your spending throughout the month. Regularly review your budget and adjust it as needed. Analyze your spending patterns to identify areas for improvement. Remember to revisit your budget at least once a month. Utilize HSBC's resources for ongoing support and education. Aim to stay within your budget to achieve your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.